thank all of you for joining us today as we begin this exciting new phase for Micron to transform how the world uses information to enrich lives. The primary purpose of this expansion of Fab 10 clean room space is to enable future manufacturing transition of Micron's industry-leading 3D NAND flash memory. Once completed, this new space will be physically connected to the existing facilities.
Never before has there been a greater need for the innovative technology we create in this fab right here in Singapore. The world is in the midst of dramatic technology explosion. The 3D NAND flash we create here is at the leading edge of all flash in the world. We aim to have the first phase of this new clean room complete in the summer of 2019. It will be equipped over the course of next 5+ years and will add more than 1,000 new team members to this facility over that same period. We will also broaden our Singapore R&D capabilities in line with our global technology development expansion strategy.
Today, I am delighted that Micron has decided to take another step to further expand and anchor its activities in Singapore. The Fab 10 expansion, which will see a new fab built adjacent to Micron's facility in North Coast, underscores Micron's confidence in Singapore and long-term commitment to Singapore. The electronics sector is a key pillar of Singapore's economy. Output of the electronics sector grew significantly by more than 30% from 2016, supported by strong growth in the semiconductor segment, which accounts for close to 3/4 of the electronics manufacturing GDP. I would like to close by congratulating Micron once again on this significant milestone, and we wish you every success as we look forward to many more decades of close partnership between Micron and Singapore.